Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a creamy, delicious mango layer pudding. It's beautiful dessert with rich mango layer and smooth milk layer. A perfect treat for iftar or any special day. This pudding is so easy to make and just melt in your mouth. No baking, no long step, just mix, heat and let it set. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the mango layer. In a pan, add 5 grams of soaked agar-agar, then pour in 1 cup of mango puree, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. If you don't like too sweet, add less amount of sugar. Now add 1/3 cup of whipping cream, 1.5 tablespoon of condensed milk. Finally, pour in half cup of milk. Mix everything well, heat on medium flame. Keep stirring continuously and allow the agar-agar to dissolve and boil. Once it is boiled, take them and strain the mixture to avoid the lumps. Take your serving glass and tilt them slightly for a stylish layer effect. Pour in mango mixture into the glass and let it set for a few minutes. Now, let's prepare the milk layer. In a pan, add 5 grams of soaked agar-agar and let it dissolve completely. Once melt, pour 3/4 cup of milk, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, stir well and let it come to boil. Now add 1/3 cup of whipping cream and mix everything together. Turn off the flame and strain the mixture for a smooth silky texture. Make sure that the mango layer is completely set before pouring the milk layer. Then gently pour it over the mango layer and let it chill until both layers are firm. Finally, garnish with fresh mango chunks for a beautiful finish. And that's it. Our mango layer pudding is ready. This pudding is smooth, creamy and full of mango flavors. This is perfect treat for iftar or whenever you want a simple and delicious dessert. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you tried this. See you soon in the next video. Bye.